Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing a couple boxes. So I've got this that I'm really excited about, and I got a little box from PinchMe, which I have mentioned them in my previous videos before. I've got myself my little flamingo stand tall and stand out tumbler with sweet tea from Dollar Tree. They're really cute. A lot of the makeup I'm wearing today is from Dollar Tree, in case you're wondering. This is an LA Colors lipstick that I just hauled, and I'm also wearing Wet n Wild eyeliner and a liquid eyeshadow from e.l.f. that I got from Dollar Tree. So I know you guys always ask me, so I figured I'd mention it. This little headband is from Dollar Tree. You guys know I love Dollar Tree. But I'm going to be putting a furniture piece on this side. I'm going to get rid of this. Get rid of a ton of like little furniture pieces that I have in here. Alright, so let's go ahead and begin. Let's start with this one. The big one, because I'm really excited about it. And I hope you are too. I don't want to go too deep with this because I've damaged stuff before. Where I cut the box a little too intense. Like I just get overly excited and I ruin my items. So let's see what it's all about. It comes really nicely packaged. Let me show you what it looks like. Very nice. She's actually a subscriber of mine and she reached out. So I was like, of course, I am all for supporting my fellow lovely people here on YouTube. She does have a business with pillowcases and stuff. I'm really excited to show you guys. She has an Etsy shop. The Etsy shop is Lee and Jane. The pillowcases are like Bible verses, and I just thought that was so freaking cute. Let me show you. Oh my goodness. She chose this for me, you guys. So you guys are gonna love this. This is so cute. I definitely want to display this. I am in charge. And it's like gold foil. Isn't that so lovely, you guys? They seem like really good quality. 100% cotton, I believe, is what it is. So I wanted to show you guys that this is definitely right up my alley. Totally my personality, and I think this is a really clever idea. These are kind of like little reminders, and if you can look at them on a daily basis, it just is super awesome. So if you're interested, I will of course have all of her information in my description box, so you can go check her out. Tell her I sent you, and hopefully you're able to find a really cute piece, but she's got so many, you guys. I believe she offers free shipping for the United States. And then she says she sent something for my mom. Let me see. I'm going to open these other ones. She sent 3 in total, and a pillow, which I'm like really excited about. Okay. So every little piece will come with this like cardboard. Thank you for purchasing a Lee and Jane pillowcase. We have a vision to encourage the love of Christ and teach value to all who receive a pillowcase. This is so cute and thoughtful, you guys. This would also make great like gifts for people that you love. This one is for my mom. If you don't know, my mom recently went through surgery. So she said this one is for my mom to have. It says, "I am healed." That is so cute. I love it. I am valuable. Oh my goodness. You guys know I've been telling you guys I've been having stressful moments in my life. This is just a like little reminder. This is such a good idea. Do you guys not think this is precious or what? So I wanted to share that with you guys, of course. Check her out. Send her some love. Send her some support. Show your support. Like, this is so cute. And if you can walk into a bedroom or wherever and look at this every single day, amazing. I love it. Thank you so much. Your business is just going to keep growing because this is so precious. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Lee and Jane, again, on Etsy, so check her out. Alright, next let me show you this PinchMe box that was sent to my P.O. box. I love PinchMe, you guys. PinchMe is free for you guys to use. So it's definitely something I love to share here on my channel because who doesn't like free stuff? And it's almost like a subscription box sort of thing. Let me show you the box. It says PinchMe, try products from leading brands for free. You gotta follow them, you guys. That's what the little box looks like, and I've showed this before on my videos because I really do like them. I appreciate them reaching out to me to send me, you know, some new kind of products to test. I love it. Okay, so this is just like an influencer club, I believe that's what it is. We're so thrilled for you to join our exclusive PinchMe Influencer Club. As a founder member, you'll be one of the first to get access to exclusive free products, promotions, events, and much more. We hope that you enjoy this box of amazing products and share it with your followers. Don't forget to use the hashtag HappyPincher and tag @PinchMe when you post. In return, we'll make efforts to help your social channels grow. Each month, PinchMe will share and repost our favorite content across our 2 million followers. We look forward to working together. Anyway, that was a mouthful. Alright, so it looks like these are like little sample type things, which if you guys don't know how I started my channel like a while ago, I used to do like free samples and stuff. You can literally get free magazines for free, like free subscriptions and stuff. So I love like little samples like this. So this is a little Clairol Root Touch-Up sample. Concealing powder. So this is a perfect way to test items out to see if you'll like them. I also got a $50 gift card for HelloFresh, and I literally just collaborated with HelloFresh and I love them, so this is going to be awesome. I mean, HelloFresh is so easy to use and it's so convenient, so this is going to come in very handy. I'm really excited about this. $50 gift card, $25 off your first 2 boxes. Yes, winning. They also put a little cookie square, baked in France, dark chocolate with a pinch of sea salt. So you get like little food items and stuff. This is vitamin C. It's got electrolytes. This is going to be awesome to try, you guys. I always am like getting sick. They also sent this little Lumify redness reliever eye drops. I'm really intrigued to try this. Sometimes I do feel like I get red eyes. So you get a little bottle of that to test out, which I was actually going to pick some up, so I'm glad they sent me this redness reliever. So if you get red eyes, they'll always send like random little products out. And then this is blister care, so to avoid blisters. So this is going to be good for like running shoes and stuff, or if you do a lot of running. I love this concept, this idea, because you get to test and try out different products for free. Like, it just doesn't get better than that. So I'm excited to test this. This is called Drunk Elephant. So this is sunscreen. I've never had a product open like that. It like twists open. So it does smell like sunscreen. It's a tiny little version of it. Another one of those cookies. Actually, several of those cookies. Alright, and then we also get a native deodorant. Tiny little version. Oh, that smells like cocoa butter. And it kind of like has a... Oh, that smells good! Coconut and vanilla. native deodorant. I've never heard of them. The last item in here, we have Aquaphor Ointment Body Spray. Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. Dermatologist recommended, easy to apply. Whoa, it does feel nice, you guys. I do like that. Like, how convenient is that? Just to spray yourself all over? Heck yes, this is probably like a time saver. Makes my skin look really soft and like, oh goodness, I really like this. Alright, you guys, so those are all the items in the PinchMe box. It's 100% free, you guys. There's no like scams or anything like that. I really like them and I really like what they're doing. So go check them out, and hopefully you're able to get your own free little box of samples. Like, I love it. I love when I get little samples like this. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the goodies. I wanted to come on here and show you guys my Dollar Tree perfume collection. It's actually over here. Let me kind of move you guys over. I'm actually going to be organizing them on a different furniture piece, but I'll go ahead and share that video separately with you guys. But I'm just going to share kind of the ones that I have here and show you guys like my favorite ones and whatnot. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. So let me go through them with you guys. I'm actually going to be reorganizing and decorating it with you guys. I'm so excited. So first we have Floral Code. And I don't really know what the impression of some of these are, but that's what the little bottle looks like. This one's probably my least favorite. It's just got like a really like strong scent. I also have this one, Only She, Compared to Girlfriend by Justin Bieber. And this smells really sweet, you guys. I really like this one. And it's a purple liquid. And then I have Charming Girl Compared to So Sexy by Victoria's Secret. And some are by European American Designs. And some are by EAD. So this one's got a black lid with pink liquid. I also have Blossom Blast. This is comparable to Flower Bomb. This one does smell really good, you guys. I haven't looked in the perfume section lately at Dollar Tree. Oh, that smells so good. It's got like a sweet but musky smell. It's wonderful. I also have this one, Compared to Paris Hilton Can Can. That's got a red lid and it's like a red liquid. This one smells really good. I recommend this one. Then I have the EAD Pink Sugar compared to, oh, I'm sorry, this is Pink Charm compared to Pink Sugar. And that's what this little bottle looks like. Very nice and sweet and sugary. Then I have the EAD Compare to Victoria's Secret to Fabulous. And it's called Solely Yours. And it's got a like light pink, pastel pink lid. Alright, these I got from Big Lots. I got a bunch, so I still have a few of those left. Those were only 50 cents. This is the Pour Mabel. And it doesn't say what it's comparable to. But it's also a red liquid and a red lid. You don't need to be spending a lot, you guys, to look cute. Nope. Or smell good. This is Her Royal Highness for women compared to Vera Wang Princess. I haven't checked out the perfume section lately. Ooh, that one smells good. It smells pretty high quality for it being $1. And this one is comparable to Britney Spears' Fantasy Legerdemain. That's what that looks like. I'm so excited to show you guys my new furniture piece. I've been cleaning it out, cleaning this whole room out, and I am just stoked. This one is probably my favorite one. I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree maybe right after this to see if I can find like 3 or 4 more of these, because I didn't know that this smells just like the Forever Red from Bath & Body Works. It literally smells just like it. Oh, goodness gracious. I am literally going to see if I can find, like, I probably would buy 10 bottles of this. This one is my favorite one. Oh, it just smells, it smells just like it. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. So I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and hopefully I can find some more of these Wild Madagascar Vanilla by Bath & Body Works. Vanilla Temptation EAD. Oh, it smells so good. So that is my Dollar Tree perfume collection. I'd love to know if you recommend any other ones. I try to pick up all the cute girly ones because that's just how I am. But yeah, let me know what you've been finding. They're only $1, and I mean for $1 you can smell fruity and sweet. Now I will say they're not like a perfume. I would consider these more like a body spray or like a body mist. Oh, goodness gracious. I can't believe this. This one's my favorite one, you guys. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you're notified as to when I'm uploading. Thank you so much for watching and for showing so much love and support, for sharing my videos with your friends and family. It truly means the world to me and I really appreciate it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.